If you're tired of watching fat squirrels treat your backyard like an all-you-can-eat buffet while the birds starve, you're in the right place. I got fed up with throwing money away on wasted seed, so I bought and tested the 5 most popular squirrel-proof feeders on the market. I've been watching my yard for weeks to see which ones actually work and which ones the squirrels outsmarted.
Product number 1. Perky-Pet 336 1SR Squirrel-Be-Gone. When I first pulled the Perky-Pet Squirrel-Be-Gone out of the box, I really liked the weight of the metal. It's got this rustic, powder-coated finish that looks great hanging from a tree, but more importantly, it feels like it can handle a beating from the elements. It holds about 2 pounds of seed, which isn't the biggest on my list, but it's a solid size for a standard backyard setup. The way this works is pretty straightforward. It has these U-shaped perches that are weight activated. When I was setting it up, I pushed down on the perch with my thumb, and you can see the metal shroud slide right down to cover the feeding ports. In my yard, I watched a squirrel try to lung from a nearby branch onto the frame. The second his paws hit that metal, the doors shut tight. He hung there for a second, looking confused, then gave up. I also noticed the clear reservoir is a lifesaver. I don't have to guess if it's empty. I can see the seed levels from my kitchen window. The only downside is that it's a bit smaller, so if you have a lot of birds, you'll be refilling it every couple of days. If you want something that looks classic and doesn't cost a fortune, this is a great starting point. It gets the job done without any fancy bells or whistles.
Product number 2, Brome Squirrel Buster Plus. Now, the Squirrel Buster Plus is a massive step up in terms of engineering. Holding this thing, you can tell why it's a bestseller. It's beefy. It holds over 5 pounds of seed, so I wasn't out there refilling it constantly. What I found really cool during my testing was the adjustable spring mechanism. You can actually twist it to change how much weight it takes to close the ports. I calibrated mine so the heavy cardinals could eat comfortably, but the moment a squirrel or even a heavy grackle hopped on, it clicked shut. It even comes with a cardinal ring, which is a circular perch. I noticed the birds seemed much more relaxed using that than the straight perches in other models. The material is UV stabilized and chew-proof, and trust me, the squirrels in my neighborhood tried their best to gnaw on the lid, but they couldn't leave a dent. The best part? It's completely tool-free. I took it apart to clean it, and it was a breeze, which is a huge deal because dirty feeders can get birds sick. It's definitely an investment, but Brome offers a lifetime, real-person support guarantee. If you're serious about bird watching and want a feeder that might actually outlive the squirrels, this is the one to grab. It feels like a piece of equipment rather than just a plastic tube. Product number 3, Droll Yankees Yankee Flipper. This is the one you've probably seen in those viral videos. Holding the Yankee Flipper, the first thing you notice is the heavy-duty polycarbonate tube and the weight of the motorized base. It holds 5 pounds of seed, but the real star is the battery-operated spinning perch. I charged it up, hung it, and waited. When a squirrel finally hopped onto the ring at the bottom, the motor kicked in and started spinning. It doesn't hurt the squirrel, it just gives them a gentle centrifugal heave-ho. Seeing a squirrel go for a ride and then fly off into the grass is honestly better than cable TV. It's hilarious, and more importantly, it works every single time. Inside, there's a baffle that keeps the seed flowing to all 4 ports, so I didn't deal with any clumping issues. It's made in the USA and feels incredibly durable. The battery life impressed me too. It lasted way longer than I expected before needing a recharge. This is the ultimate choice if you have a real squirrel problem and want a bit of entertainment while you protect your seed. It's pricey, but the build quality is through the roof. It's rugged, effective, and honestly, just a lot of fun to have in the yard.
Product number 4, Dreamdrawer 360-degree feeding perch tray. The Dreamdrawer feeder has a much different vibe. It's made of a mix of ABS plastic and metal, and it's very lightweight. What caught my eye immediately was the 360-degree perch tray at the bottom. Instead of just a few ports, birds can land anywhere around the circle. During my time using it, I noticed it really helped keep the ground clean. Usually, birds toss seeds everywhere, but the tray catches a lot of the fallout. The squirrel-proof mechanism is similar to others where the weight of a squirrel pulls the lid down over the feeding holes. It's a simple gravity system, but it worked surprisingly well against the smaller squirrels in my area. One feature I actually appreciated more than I thought I would is the one-handed refill. You just press a button on the roof, slide it up the cable, and it locks in place. It makes refilling while holding a heavy bag of seed much less of a struggle. The roof is wide enough that it kept the seed dry through a pretty heavy rainstorm we had last week. If you're looking for something easy to manage and want to minimize the mess under your feeder, this is a solid budget-friendly pick. It's not as tank-like as the Brome, but it's very practical for everyday use.
Product number 5. Wildpark Squirrel Proof Bird Feeder. The Wildpark feeder is definitely the most colorful of the bunch, with that orange body and blue roof. It's got a very sturdy metal frame and thick plastic panels. When I filled it up with 5 pounds of seed, it felt very substantial. This one uses a triple defense system, including adjustable springs on the sides that let you set the weight sensitivity from 200 to 350 grams. What I noticed during my backyard stakeout is the shape of the feeder. The body curves inward, which is a clever design. I watched a squirrel try to hang upside down from the roof to reach the ports, a classic squirrel move. But because of that curve, he couldn't get a grip and just slid off. The metal perches are also gnaw-proof, which is great because I've had plastic ones chewed to bits in the past. The bottom tray is perforated, which I loved because it lets moisture drain out. No one likes soggy, moldy seeds. While the manufacturer admits it isn't 100% foolproof, nothing really is if you have a genius squirrel. It held its own remarkably well. It's a great-looking piece that adds a pop of color to the yard while keeping the birds fed and the squirrels frustrated. It's perfect if you want a large-capacity metal feeder that looks a bit more modern.